Scuti Career Cafe. I hope you're enjoying our video series on IT careers. So in this episode, we would like to share with you what are the opportunities available for Python programmers. As you know, it is a premier, flexible and powerful open source language that is easy to learn, easy to use and has powerful libraries for various areas of applications. With the popularity of Python programming language seeing a big uptick in India, so the time is right to master Python in order to land Python jobs. So let's talk about Python career opportunities. In India, Python is to exponential growth in hiring as the Indian IT industry is looking to hire a large pool of Python programmers. In India, demand exceeds supply of Python programmers. Hire.com released an exhaustive list of the most desired job skills by companies hiring. Python enjoys a whopping 40.4% popularity, beating Java for the first time in almost 2 decades. Also, the fact that average salary for a Python programmer is high compared to the other language programmers in both India and abroad. A recent article in Times of India states one of India's top software companies was faced with quandary. It had won a $200 million contract to develop an app store for a large US bank, but did not have adequate number of programmers who could write code in Python, the language most suited for the job. So eventually, it paid thrice the billing rate to the group of freelancers Python programmers in the USA and learned a valuable lesson about the importance of a language named after the British television comedy series Monty Python. Thankfully, this is changing now, with developers realizing the need to add Python to their resume, both for the faster programming and for lucrative global careers. So now let's see what are the Python job profiles in market. First is software engineer. It gives opportunities in building websites, apps, backend servers, automation of repetitive work. The second one is data scientist. Python programming language is currently the most popular language for data scientists worldwide. This claim is substantiated by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, which tracks programming languages by popularity. The third one in row is research analyst. It helps careers in scientific computing and machine learning as it has many libraries available for these communities. And then comes networking, games and e-commerce app developers. Python is used in most of the popular social networking sites. Now let's take a look at Python programmers' salary. In Bangalore, the pay scale for Python job in B2C and e-commerce companies being as high as 6 lakh to 7 lakh for a Python professional with 1 year of experience. The average salary for Python programmers with same experience is higher than that of C++, Java, PHP peers. I hope all of you are excited now to learn Python programming. So time to learn. And for any queries regarding course, please feel free to comment below and our experts will guide you. Thank you for watching and we'll come back with more insight on other programming languages soon. So stay tuned and do subscribe and share it with your friends.
Do you wish to join this course? To get connected with the best trainers and training companies, visit the link.